So I'm right here. I'm at Douglas Avenue and Main Street. We're gonna go ahead and hit the button right here.
Wait. Traveling east.
East.
Wait. Wait. Traveling east. Wait.
And here's the other one here too. You know. So I'll say this. This intersection has 10 seconds. Like crazy.
Wait. Traveling east.
Yeah.
Wait.
Push button for walk sign. You probably, I think you guys seen these crosswalk buttons in New York, I think. But some do in Florida, or some do like in Boston, or maybe in New York City. Or maybe in Las Vegas. I think Las Vegas has one of these buttons here.
Wait. Traveling east.
So this one here has 10 seconds. And how about this one?
Wait. 5. Wait. 4. 3. 2. 1. Wait. Traveling north.
Traveling, we got north right here.
Wait. Traveling north. Wait.
Then we'll be crossing Main Street, as you can see right here. I'm waiting.
Walk sign is on.
This one also has 10 seconds.
7. 6. 5. Wait. 4. Traveling west. 2. Wait. 1.
West.
Wait. Traveling west. Wait. Wait.
Come on.
Wait. Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on.
Now you heard the walk sign is on now.
Walk sign is on. 10.
Then we have another 10 seconds in this intersection.
7. Traveling south. 5. 4. 3. Wait. 2. 1. Wait.
I think this one might be north, I think. No, south. I don't know.
Traveling south.
There.
Wait.
I just screwed up the intersections. I don't know why I'm doing that.
Wait. Traveling south.
Nice. Very old buttons here.
Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on.
Dude. This is weird.